Hi students, hope you all are studying well. You have to revise the portions daily, okay? Today we are going to study a new chapter, that is of polynomials. In 9th standard we have studied about polynomials. Very easy lesson, easy to understand. So be careful in solving the problems and all. Today we are going to study the introduction to polynomials. See, in introduction we are starting with the terms. 2x. 2 is called the coefficient, that is number part. Number part is called the coefficient and alphabet part is called as variable. See here, 2x we have only one term. So chains of terms form polynomial. If we add one more term, see here, 2 terms. Like that you can add any number of terms. See here, now it becomes 3 terms. In front of this you can add any number of terms. See here, chains of terms form polynomial. Here one term, see 3x square plus 5. 2 term, 6x cube plus 5x square plus minus 6x plus 3. See 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. Now 6x cube plus 5x plus 9. See here, that is 3 term. Here 1 term, here 3 term, here 2 term, 1, 2, 3, 4 term, here 3 terms. See here, according to the number of terms, we can call the polynomial. See here, what is these 3? They are constant terms. Constant term plus variable terms form polynomial. Here terms are separated by plus or minus sign, not into and division sign. Okay. Now in these polynomials, which are not polynomials, some are not polynomials. See, 1 by x plus 2. Is it a polynomial? No, it is not a polynomial. Root x plus 5. Is it a polynomial? No, it is not a polynomial. 1 by x cube plus 3x plus 2. Is it a polynomial? No. These are not polynomials. Why? See here, fraction, here fraction, here root of x means x raised to half. Power must not be a fraction. Here if you write this, 1 by x plus 2 is equal to x plus 2 the whole raised to minus 1. That also won't come. See, power must not be a fraction or a negative number. So that type of terms, that type of algebraic expressions are not polynomials. Got it? Now I'll write in box terms and their names. Terms, names of polynomials. 3x, 1 term. So it is called by the name monomial. Mono means 1. 5x square plus 3x, 2 terms. It is called as binomial. Bi means 2. 6x cube minus 4x square plus 10. 1, 2, 3. It is called as trinomial. 7x raised to 4 minus 5x square plus 6x minus 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. More than 3 we call it as polynomials. Okay, we call it as polynomials. Now polynomials have a general form. See, general form. See, 2x plus 3. See, two terms. See the power of this polynomial. Now, after that I will say you. Okay, first we will study the degree. Now, next degree of the polynomial. After that I will say that. 2x, its power is 1. 3x square plus 5x plus 9. 6x cube minus 2x square plus 3x minus 5. 7p raised to 4 minus 6p cube plus 3p square minus 5p plus 3. See, here the power is 2, 1, 3, 2, 1, 4, 3, 2, 1. See, degree of the polynomial. What do you mean by degree? Highest power of the variable in the polynomial is called the degree. Here the degree is 1. Here degree is 2. Here 1, 3, 2, 1. So highest is 3. Degree 3. In this polynomial 4, 3, 2, 1. Degree is 4. See, consider this polynomial, this type of polynomial. 0 x raised to 7 plus 6 x raised to 5 plus 4x cube plus 10. See, here 7, 5, 3. Here the variable terms are 0. So, the highest power is 7, but the coefficient is 0, which means that whole term is 0. So, next highest is 5. So, its degree is 5. Okay? Understood? So, now next we move on to the types of polynomials on the basis of the degree. On the basis of the degree, we can types of polynomials. Now, polynomials, types of polynomials on the basis of the degree. On the basis of the degree. See here, let me write 2x. Here only one term. And the degree 1. So x means x raised to 1. So this is called as linear polynomial. Linear means 1. Linear polynomial. Linear polynomial. So it has its general form. General form is ax plus b. General form of linear polynomial is ax plus b, where a not equal to 0. Here, if it becomes 0, what happens? This whole term becomes 0. Here, b is the constant term. Now I will write another polynomial. 5x square plus 2x minus 3. See, 1, 2, 3 terms. 3 terms are there. But degree, highest power is 2. Degree is 2. We call by the name binomial, not quadratic. Quadra means 2. Quadratic polynomial. See, 3 terms, degree is 2, is called by the name quadratic polynomial. Quadra means 2. Linear means 1. Degree 1. See, here it has its general form. Any polynomial is of this form is called as linear polynomial. Here we have the general form ax square plus bx plus c. General form is a square plus bx plus c, where A, B, C are real numbers and A not equal to 0. A not equal to 0. What is the condition? A, B, C are real numbers. Here also same case. A and B are real numbers. And A not equal to 0. Here the condition. Here also same condition. A not equal to 0. This is quadratic polynomial. Now 4x cube minus 6x square plus 3x minus 4. See here. How many terms? 1, 2, 3, 4 terms. 4 terms. This is a polynomial. What is its degree? Third. That is degree is 3. It is called by the name. This polynomial is cubic polynomial. Linear, quadratic, cubic. Cubic means 3. Cubic polynomial. According to the number of terms, monomial, binomial, trinomial. According to the degree of the polynomial, linear polynomial, quadratic polynomial and cubic polynomial. More than 3 we will call it as polynomial. Okay. How much is the degree? That much solution. According to the degree. How much is the degree? According to the degree, we are giving the name. Okay. What is the general form of this? Ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d. Here also a not equal to 0. A, B, C, D are real numbers. Here constant term. Okay. Now we move on to the degree of the polynomial. What do you mean by degree? Degree of the polynomial. Not degree, zeros of the polynomial. Degree only we have studied just now. Zeros of the polynomial. Zeros of the polynomial. What do you mean by zeros of the polynomial? The value of the polynomials are denoted by p of x. See, p of x is equal to x plus 2. This is of degree 1 and linear polynomial. Polynomial is denoted by p of x. Polynomial in x variable. If it is in y variable, polynomial in y variable. P of a, polynomial in a variable. If we give which value for x, it becomes 0. That is called the 0 of the polynomial. X plus 2 is equal, equating x plus 2 is equal to 0, x is equal to minus 2. When x is equal to minus 2, that is p of minus 2 is equal to, p of minus 2 means instead of x you have to give the value minus 2. Minus 2 plus 2 equals 0. So p of minus 2 is equal to 0. When x is equal to minus 2, the polynomial becomes 0. The value of the variable for which the polynomial becomes 0 is called the 0 of the polynomial. See, number of zeros on the base of the degree. Number of zeros of the polynomial is based on the degree. Here it is a linear polynomial. So it has only one 0. That is only one value for x. No other value satisfies this equation. How much is the degree? That much solutions or zeros we get. For linear polynomial, only one 0. Number of zeros, only one 0. So, one solution. One solution is called by the name zeros. When x is equal to 2, see, consider another example. X square plus 3x plus 1. Here, what is the degree? Degree is 2. So, this is a quadratic polynomial. So, it must have two zeros, that is two solutions. Here the power is 1, that is degree is 1. So, it has only one solution. When x is equal to minus 2, the polynomial becomes 0. So, we can, according the degree, we can say how many solutions are there, how many zeros are there in this polynomial. So here number of zeros is 2. Number of zeros equals 2. Here number of zeros equals 1. 2x plus 6. What about these polynomials? See, p of x is equal to 2x plus 6. How many zeros it has? Only one zero. Its degree is 1. You see, 2x plus 6 is equating to 0. 2x is equal to minus 6. X is equal to minus 6 by 2 equals minus 3. When x is equal to minus 3 only, this polynomial becomes 0. Okay. Now, geometry